Samsung has its work cut out for it if it wants the Galaxy S24 Ultra to remain a contender for the best smartphone on the market, especially after such impressive showings from the iPhone 15 Pro series and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Thankfully, from everything we know so far about Samsung's flagship device, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be another quality offering. Not only that, it could be heading our way sooner than we expect, full of gusto and ready to flex on the competition with some incredible specifications in true Samsung fashion. Let's dive into the latest and see what the latest rumors and leaks have to say about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the first quarter of 2024, one of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events. Typically, Samsung's event takes place in February, the products becoming available to pre-order the day of and ready to purchase roughly 2 full weeks later. However, recent reports indicate that the South Korean tech wizards are pushing for an earlier showcase in the face of middling sales of its Z-series foldables, not to mention the launch of the Pixel 8 and iPhone 15. Just how early are we talking? Well, if Twitter tech tipster Revegnus is to be believed, then we can expect Samsung to take to the stage at some point in early January. This is further backed up by similarly reliable leaker and cat avatar Dunning Ice Universe, who claims that Samsung's flagship device will likely make it to store shelves around January 18, 2024. If we take this information as fact, then we can likely predict Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra release schedule as such: pre-order/release date. How much will the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cost? That's something many of us are wondering after being inundated with rumors surrounding the fluctuating prices of other recently released flagship devices. One such rumor came from yet another reliable tipster on Twitter, Yogesh Brar. Brar claimed in August 2023 that we could see price jumps across all major flagship devices of $50 to $200, referencing the Galaxy S24 series by name as one of those included. But did Brar's info stand the test of time? Yes and no. Of the devices mentioned that have been released so far, only the Pixel 8 Pro saw a price increase, $100, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max retaining the same price, while dropping its cheaper 128GB model. We can't say for sure in which direction Samsung will take the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but we can reasonably assume that its price will start at somewhere between $1,199 and $1,399. An assortment of reliable tips have given us an indication of what specifications to expect when the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra arrives in 2024, primary of which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a powerful new octa-core processor that has shown some incredibly promising scores in leaked Geekbench results. However, while these numbers are impressive to see, they do come from a pre-production prototype and could be falsely indicative of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's final performance. That being said, if they are accurate, we could be looking at not only Samsung's most powerful device to date, but the closest on-paper competitor to Apple's awesome A17 Pro chipset. Thanks once more to Twitter tipster Revegnus. We also have a general idea of what to expect when it comes to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's memory and storage. Revegnus tweet/post not only indicates that there will be 8GB and 12GB RAM configurations available for the S24 Ultra, but also that there will be an abundance of storage configurations too, capping out with a hopping 2TB of internal storage. From what we know so far, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will look a lot like its predecessor at first glance, though there will be some noticeable changes when it comes to design and display. According to an Ice Universe tweet/post, while retaining the same overall look, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will do away with the curved display, switching to a flat screen. This has led some to believe that leaked measurements indicate chunkier bezels. However, this could be explained by the remaining curvature of the all-new titanium chassis. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's improved 6.8-inch WQHD Plus 3200 by 1440 pixel, 463 ppi display is rumored to make use of an AMOLED M13 LTPO panel, the very same rumored to appear in the iPhone 16. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's next-gen display will reportedly be more power efficient and offer a dynamic refresh rate of 1 Hz to 144 Hz. Capping things off on the display front is the incredible rumor that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a record-breaking peak brightness of 2,500 nits, a 750 nit increase over the Galaxy S23 Ultra's already impressively bright panel. According to both Yogesh Brar and Ice Universe, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain the 23 Ultra's whopping 200MP main, 12MP selfie cam, 10MP periscope lens down to just 5x optical zoom, and 12MP ultra-wide shooters while adding a game-changing 50MP telephoto, 3 optical zoom, lens to its impressive arsenal. Samsung's 10x optical zoom was a big deal for the S23 Ultra, so rumors of its exit have left many puzzled. However, thanks to a larger sensor size and wider aperture, the improved 50MP telephoto shooter may offer similar results to the Periscope's 10x optical zoom without sacrificing much in the way of image quality. Anyhow, guys, it looks like Samsung S24 Ultra is real king in game next year. We'll need to wait until its official announcement how it performed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. Peace out.